Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will start using Cheat Engine. So on your desktop, there should be a shortcut. Just double click on it. Cheat Engine has got several menus up here. However, to start things off, we are just going to use the help. Click on the help here and you will see there are a few menu items, and we are going to start with the tutorial. So click on tutorial. So the tutorial is like mini games which you play and learn how to use Cheat Engine. So the first tutorial is called Step 1. You can click on next. And this is, okay, that was step 1, now it's step 2. So in step 1, you're supposed to attach to the game. So to attach to this game, you click on this button here, and then you will see a list of processes which are running in memory, and this is one of it, and this is the one. So click open. And now you can see here, it is already attached to Cheat Engine. So now, in this step 2, the objective is to learn how to do scanning. We are going to scan memory for this value, health. Each time you click on the hit me button, health decreases. So, we want to find where in memory this value is stored. So we click here, value type 4 bytes. 4 bytes normally refers to integers. So here we put in the number 91 and then we click scan, but make sure the type is exact value, then click scan. And these are the memory addresses which stores this value 91. Now in order to narrow down the results even further, we click on hit me one more time, and now the health decreases to 87. So go back here, key in the new value 87 and click next scan. And even before you click next scan, you can see already this memory address has already changed to 87, but we will click next scan anyway, and true enough, it filters out all the false values, the false addresses, and leave only one. So this is the memory address which stores this value. So now we want to add this to our table, address table, also known as cheat table. So to add this to our cheat table or address table, just double click. You can also use this. So now it's here. Now if you hit me again, you will see the address changing. And we can modify this value as well by double clicking here. And then change this value to other values, say 100. Click OK. Even though you modified the value to 100, here doesn't reflect because you need to interact with this user interface in order for the program to update the value. So if we click hit me again, it will show 100, but because you click on the button, it reduces to 99, as you can see from here. Okay, so that's how it works. So the objective we need to do is to change this value to 1000. So we can go here and change it to 1000, and if you change it to 1000, this next button will turn activated, allow you to proceed to step 3. So let's put in 1000 now and click OK, and you see you're now solved step 2 and ready to go to step 3. Okay, so some explanation. So this is a memory address in RAM which stores this value. If you wanted to see this, you can actually click on memory view, and then you can go to this address. You can copy, you can double click this, right click and open this address, copy this address, and then here you can go to address and paste it in here. And you should be able to see 1000 there. So to see the 1000 there, you need to change the display. That means you must right click here and then show display type as 4 byte decimal. 4 byte decimal is here. And you see 1000. There you go. You can actually change the value in memory directly by putting 999 or what other value you want, and then here will update. As you can see, if you click hit me now, it will be a big number, 9985. Alright, so this is the memory view. You can see up here is the disassemble view. Disassemble view is where the program cheat engine tries to disassemble the binary code. This is a binary code, also known as machine code or opcode, and these are the addresses, and these are the interpretation of these bytes in human readable form called assembly language. On the right here are the comments. The comments is the additional information which cheat engine has found from all these instructions. So I'll explain more in detail when we proceed further in the course. You can close this now. So this is how you do scanning. Memory scanning is one of the most powerful features of cheat engine, and it is also the same technique used to hack games, and we can also later on make use of this powerful feature to crack our crack maze, to solve our crack maze. So if all this thing is new to you, then I will just take on and proceed with the lesson as usual. But if all this you already know, feel free to skip and go to the crack maze section. But I will urge you to continue to revise all these things even though you already know this. So that's all for this lesson. You can go ahead and try to practice further and do scans on your own if you like. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.